In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wrike desktop app. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Wrike is an excellent project management tool that can boost your productivity. While you can access it online through your web browser, downloading the desktop app offers enhanced performance and a more seamless experience. So, here's how to do it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Wrike website. You can type in the URL, which is simply wrike.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on that. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily create one right here. Just click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Once you're signed in, that's when you can officially look for the desktop app. Now, as you're logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Depending on your account type, you might find a few different options available to you. What you want to look for is the Help section, which is often found at the lower end of the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Help section, find and click on Download Wrike Desktop App. It might also be under Mobile Apps or a similar section, so keep an eye out. When you click on that option, it should present you with links to download the app for different operating systems, like Windows or Mac. If you're using a Windows computer, click on the download link for Windows. Your browser may prompt you with a notification or a pop-up asking if you want to keep the file, so make sure you click Save or Keep to download it. If you're on a Mac, just select the appropriate option for Mac, and similarly, your download should start right away. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to where the file is located on your computer. This is usually in your Downloads folder. If you're using Windows, double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the instructions that appear on your screen. You might have to agree to some terms and conditions and select an installation location. For Mac users, locate the file, double-click it, and drag the Wrike icon into your Applications folder to install it. After that, you may need to open your Applications folder and locate the Wrike app to run it. After the installation is complete, you can launch the app. Just look for the Wrike icon on your desktop or in your applications, depending on your operating system. When you open the app, you will be prompted to sign in again, so enter your login credentials, and there you go. You now have the Wrike desktop app downloaded and ready to help you manage your projects with ease. This app will make it much more convenient for you to stay organized and on top of your tasks. If you have any questions or run into any issues while downloading, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Happy managing!